Today our topic is second equation of motion. S is equal to VIT plus half AT square. Suppose a body is moving with an initial velocity Vi with a uniform acceleration A. After some time t, its final velocity becomes Vf. Then its average velocity is Vf plus Vi over 2. And the distance covered by the body with respect to average velocity is average velocity into t. Now put the value of average velocity in equation 1. It will be S is equal to Vf plus Vi over 2 into t. From first equation of motion, Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Put the value of Vf in equation 2. S is equal to Vi plus At over 2 into t. By opening the round brackets and adding Vi, we will get S is equal to 2Vi plus At over 2 into t. Now we will open the square bracket. S is equal to 2Vit plus At square over 2. Now by simplifying the equation with the help of simple mathematical rules, we will get S is equal to Vit plus half At square. In case of any sort of confusion, feel free to discuss in comment section.